What's up, everybody? Miguel here, and here we are for another Safezone Unicorn Network video. Let's go! Hey folks, I hope that all of you are doing great out there, wherever in the world in these tough times that we are going through. Guys, don't forget to if you enjoy my videos, give that like, and down below subscribe to my channel so that you can receive all the latest updates, videos about the Safezone and the Unicorn Network and all this good stuff. Now about today, guys, I'm going to talk to you about MoneyPon, and I'm going to explain you how to use MoneyPon, and I'm going to share with you a tutorial. I made a PowerPoint presentation where you will be able to learn everything, how to use it and how everything works. Okay, so first things I will just show you. You can go to MoneyPon straight from the Safezone. Okay, I'm in the Safezone back office. You can scroll down and in here click on MoneyPon, or on your browser you can insert directly moneypon.com and you are ready. So MoneyPon is the new way to pay 100% secure and without the sharing of personal data online. You only need to enter the MoneyPon voucher code, confirm it with the personal PIN, and you are done. So guys, I am going to my PowerPoint presentation, okay, and I will guide you through every single step. Guys, I'm going to take off my image so that you can watch everything better, okay? Now, MoneyPon, here we go, guys. Like, you can, guys, if you want to buy YAM, so our rainbow currency, and for those who don't know what's the rainbow currency and our YAM, guys, I will leave a link on the description and also up here on the cards so that you can better understand what it is. But you don't want to go through an exchange, or if, for instance, you want to gift YAM to someone, okay, you can use our MoneyPon. Now, to log in, guys, you see this is the main page. You just click here on the top, okay, and then you will need to insert your if it's the first time, guys, obviously you will need to insert your Pernum. Okay, for those who don't know what's the Pernum, I will also leave a link on the description and here on the cards. You will insert your Pernum, then your password, and then you will have to also insert your 3-digit random PIN from your 6-digit master PIN. Now, from the inside, this is the inside of the MoneyPon. Okay, you want to buy a MoneyPon, so you click here on buy MoneyPon. Then this appears. Okay, create MoneyPon. You can create a MoneyPon to be redeemed by you or to be redeemed by another person who is a Safezone member. Okay, so if you want to for instance gift some YAM to someone, or you want to sell some YAM and they want to buy from you, you click here on another person. Okay, then if you want to send YAM to another person, okay, this is what you need to do. Okay, then you need to know the Pernum of the person to be able to create a MoneyPon for them. Okay, then next step. Okay, now here you need to insert the person's Pernum. Okay, the person that you want to send the MoneyPon, you need to insert here its Pernum. Then you click on next. Okay, in here, in this step, you need to select the currency in which you want to send the MoneyPon. Okay, sorry guys, I made here a little mistake in this MoneyPon. It's not MoneyPon, it's a MoneyPon. And you select the unique here, click on this drop down box, okay, and you select the currency. It can be either Australian dollars, euros, Great British pounds, New Zealand dollars, US dollars, or in YAM. Then In this case, I was going to choose Yam, and you click on Next. And then here you need to select the currency of your MoneyPon to be paid in. Okay, again, you choose what is the currency that you want to pay for this MoneyPon. Okay, you select from this drop down menu. And then, for instance, in this case, guys, I have chosen Yam, and then you click on here on Next. Now, next step, you need to enter the value of your MoneyPon. Okay, you insert here the value that you want to send. Then down below you will click on Calculate. Okay, and this will add always, guys, for every transfer that you do, every MoneyPon that you create, 1% fee for the amount that you have inserted in the value. Okay, you click Calculate, and then it will appear here the 1% fee. Okay, then you click on Next, and in here, guys, it will then you just need to click on Buy MoneyPon, and you are ready to the next step. Now in here, guys, it will appear the code. Okay, this will be your MoneyPon coupon code that the other person will have to redeem in their Pernum account. See? Okay, so next, then what you need to do is you need to go back to the Safezone back office. Okay, guys, if someone still doesn't know what's the Safezone, I will also leave a video on the cards and down below a link on the description so that you can better understand what it is. Okay, now you click here on Pernum, and this will appear. Okay, you will have your Pernum wallet, your Pernum Messenger, your MoneyPon, and this will direct you also to Prizemania. And guys, MoneyPon, this is where the person that has your coupon code will redeem that coupon code. Okay, you click on MoneyPon, and then in here the person that is going to redeem the MoneyPon needs to insert, it's a 6-digit code, and then since the person inserts the 6-digit in here, and then down below they will need to insert their 3 random digit master pin. Okay, from their 6-digit master pin they will need to insert their 3 digits, and then they click on Submit. And guys, basically that is it. Then if you want, obviously you can check that everything went smoothly. You click on your wallet. Okay, you'll check the Pernum wallet for the transfer so that it went through. You will also need to insert again your 3 random digits from your master pin, and then finally this will be your Pernum wallet details. You will find everything in here. Okay, guys, so basically this is it. Now I'm just going to show you a couple more things. Now, if for instance if you have active MoneyPons inside the MoneyPon website, okay, you click here on active MoneyPons, and you will see if you have any active, it will appear. Okay, so these are the active MoneyPons that you will have. Understand? Okay, very simple. And finally, if you have some old MoneyPons, you can check them here. You click on old MoneyPons, and they will also appear on this area. Okay, so guys, basically this is it about what I wanted to share with you about the MoneyPon. It's a very brief tutorial how you can really understand how to use it and what is the importance and what we have to take about the MoneyPon. Okay, guys, don't forget, guys, down below, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm always trying to give lots and lots of value so that people understand really what is this amazing project, the Unicorn Network and the Safezone and all this good stuff. Okay, guys, thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you very, very soon.